Assalamu alaikum for class. Hope you will be fine, beta. And welcome to your English lesson. Have a blessed day, all of you. Students, now today we'll do the workbook page number 34 and 35. That is on uh, our unit 6 is going on Mowgli's brother. Okay. Today we are going to complete our new story. New story. Keep it in mind whenever we write a new story, we use the past simple past or past progressive according to the situation. The work that is continuously doing, we use the past progressive tense, and for the other work we have to use the simple past tense. Okay, so our today's task is we have to complete a new story, put the verbs into the correct form, either the simple past or the past progressive tense. Okay, so the paragraphs are given here, and according to the situation we have to complete it according to the simple past and past progressive tense. Okay, cheetahs, its title is Saving the Cheetahs. Okay, because it's an endangered cheetah. Cheetahs were big cats and they are meat eaters. Some years ago they were dash. They were, as you see, the verb is given kill, and by using ing form we make its past progressive tense. They were killing too many sheep and goats on Namibian farm in South Africa. The farmers dashed to shoot. Now we use they started. Okay, we use they started to shoot the cheetahs with their guns. The number of cheetahs dash, and soon there were only 3,000 left in the whole country. The number of cheetahs were dropping because it's continuously working now. So progressive use work dropping, and soon there were being only 3,000 in the whole country. So what will happen? In this way, the cheetah become an endangered animal. Now in next paragraph, then one farmer dash a clever idea. One farmer, what is the past form of have? Had. Then one farmer had a clever idea. If I can keep my sheep and goats safe, I won't have to kill any cheetah. So 125 farmers dash a group. 125 farmers formed a group to protect the cheetahs. They dash 250. What they its past form of buy is bought. They bought 250 big dogs called Anatolian sheep dogs. Dog name is Anatolian sheepdog. Anatolia is actually a city of Turkey. Where they protect sheep and goats from wolves as well as the cheetahs. Now, what the group of the farmers, they have to pay for the dogs. Paid. So we add ed here for the dog food for the first 12 months, as the huge fierce dog dash freely over farms were running. So we use the running form, ing form of run. Okay, so the cheetahs, because when the dog safeguard all the sheep, now cheetahs become frightened of the dogs. Okay, the cheetahs became, we use the past form. So in this way the cheetahs stopped killing the farmer's animal, and they hunted, we add ed here, hunted small deers which are plentiful in Namibia. There are a lot of deers, so they hunted the deers. The program has been a success. When we visited the country, the number of cheetahs grow, we use now it's progressive, were growing again. So after completing this, you have to write down a diary about the dogs that came to your farm. Answer these questions using the sentence starter. Okay, what was the problem on your farm? You will write what was the problem with your farm. Like you will start, last year we were having a lot of problems because dash came to my farm. Who came to your farm? You will write about. How many dogs arrived at your farm? So they have given you the month name. In October 1, you will write about the number of dogs.